If you've been buying this at the store, get rid of it. We are going to make homemade Thousand Island dressing with cleaner ingredients in your own kitchen. Let me show you how. Hey guys, I'm Kelly with Suburban Soapbox, and today we are going to make homemade Thousand Island dressing, and this is even a little bit lighter than what you would buy in the store. It's super, super easy to make, and you can kind of mix it up depending on your taste. This has no preservatives. It's made with everything from your kitchen that you probably already have in there now. So to make your Thousand Island dressing, we're going to start with some Greek yogurt. This is plain, low-fat Greek yogurt. If you don't really like the flavor of Greek yogurt, you can use sour cream instead. We have mayonnaise and ketchup. If you want it really clean, you can make a homemade ketchup, but just store-bought, like low-sugar ketchup is really good too. Some pickle relish, apple cider vinegar, hot sauce, and salt and pepper. So really super easy. We're just going to add all the ingredients to a bowl. So we're going to add our mayonnaise and our Greek yogurt, all that. Give it a little stir there. Some ketchup, needed a bigger bowl, and our relish, salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, and hot sauce. Just give this one big stir to combine. Always use a bigger bowl. Okay, and that's it. We made a big mess, but we're done. And now you have homemade Thousand Island dressing. We're just gonna drizzle this on a salad or use it on a Reuben. It is super versatile. You can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 10 days in an airtight container. Super easy to make and so, so tasty. That is so perfect. It's tangy and sweet. You can taste that pickle relish. It is simply amazing. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.